Hi, my name is Sipora. Welcome to Infinity Rug Care. I wanted to explain the process in cleaning rugs. Once your rugs arrive to our shop, we measure them, we take pictures for your protection and ours. Once your rug was checked in, we bring it to the automatic rug duster. This is where it removes all debris, dust, and loose dirt. This is the part nobody can believe. No matter how many times you think you're clean, your rugs are clean through vacuuming, this is how much debris comes out of your rug. In this process, we bring your rug to the automatic bathtub. Here, we immerse your rug with detergent, which releases urine, soil, and even vomit, both human and from animals. Once your rug has accomplished its time in the bathtub, we bring it over here to the pit. This is where we thoroughly scrub it with our machines, and this takes off surface and deep soil, urine, any stains that may remain. And this stage, we finish with the machine scrubbing and rinsing the rugs. Now we're going to put it in the centrifuge, which runs at 1,200 RPMs. And this will rinse and dry the carpet as best as possible before we put it on the rack to dry. You saw Farouk combing the rug to set the pile straight. Now it's in its final stage of the cleaning. It dried on the tower, and we're going to take it down and we're going to bring it to the final stage. Now we're in the final phase to prepare your rug to deliver it to you. We put it to the finisher, which rolls the rug, and it leaves the rug with a satin finish because it's vacuuming and setting the pile. So we're going to put it in the bag and deliver it to you.